Put your hands together for the one and only J Dilla.
People appreciate more music, you know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah, it's good music, period. There's nothing better than that to me, you know what I'm saying? That's what I do this show for.
I hear a lot of cats saying that, you know what I'm saying, they want to be on hip hop with
James Yancey, J Dilla, producer extraordinaire.
Dilla was just a genius, man, and he still is. He was way ahead of his time. Definitely.
It's the grand imperial, scuba sucking MCs like cereal. The last time I wrote a rhyme, you didn't hear me though, so I'ma drop this.
Dilla's ill, illness. Dilla's illness. Illness. Letting him jazz music.
And now for our feature presentation.
Yeah. We gonna get straight into something real dynamic for hip hop.
The sound of the day, but in the morning this hour would seem a lifetime away. Oh, Claire.
You know what I'm saying? I want people to feel what I feel. I want them to feel that energy whatever it was. Yeah, that's all it is. Because I make it straight from the heart. So it's like...
Ooh-wee. Is it working? Is it working? Hey. What's up, guys? How's it going? We're back again. So this is actually where we left yesterday with the walk cycle. So we're going to continue here as well today. This is a nice cover. I like that. It's pretty light here. That's nice. So how are you guys doing today? I've been working on some taxes and some jazz, and also some interesting thing where I need to export these guys, right? And I need them all to be, like, all of the skins to be enabled, so because it gets baked. Like, all of the skins get baked, so I need to make a tool, like, where I can switch on and off the skins, like all of them. I need all of them, so I'm just gonna make like a small tool for that. Ooh, I can hear myself. Nice, I like that. So what I have here is I have like these two nodes, the export condition, and like I already hooked up this thing. Like I already have something set up, so I can show you actually here. So if I select this main group, then it has this thing called export mode, and if I enable export mode, then like it selects everything, and then I can just export the file. Later I'm gonna make like a button for that, so it turns it on and off before and after the export, so that would be really convenient afterwards. Or just like one click to turn it on, one click to turn it off, or something like that. That would be nice. But first things first, need to set this stuff up. So we're going to need some clamp nodes here, just like I did here before. Let me just set this to be off, just for now. Alright, so let me make some clamp nodes. Let the clamps... Where did I make it though? Okay. Let me hook this up here. Alright. So there's going to be this input, this out color is going to be the input, and then we're going to make this visibility. This is going to be the output. So the thing is that I need to set up the up and down values, so it gets like clamped at some point when I need it to be enabled. So that's the trick that I'm going to do here. Alright. So the maximum R, let's set that to 1, and I need this out color to be the minimum R. Alright. So let's try that out. I think that should work. Yeah, see that? So this is some kind of skin. So that's really nice. Alright. Oh man, real quiet today. That's alright. We have a bunch of stuff to do. Alright, let me just expand these guys a little bit so we have some more space here. Just like here. I'm gonna collapse them afterwards. And let's just copy this clamp node. Alright. Input. Alright, let's just connect all this jazz. Alright. Little by little. And these two go a bit down. So I get that min. should copy another one like this and also like input the min value. And then this one's going to just be connected to that one. Oh, hey, didn't notice that you went live already. Yeah. Oh, my Discord. Our Discord. Oh yeah, I need to check Unity actually. So I have like all kinds of tiles actually here. I need to send these over to you, Roy. All this jazz. So I think today we could also put something together, right? I think that should be possible. What's up with this? Well, these are old news. This is old news, that's what it is. Oh dude, we need to make the bus faster. That's going to be really cool. Sure, if you send me those beforehand, I can add grass cell stuff. Alright, can I get now? Oh, it's already there. If you open a prefab scene, there should be everything. I think there should be even a prefab like this. Select environment, prefabs environment, school, outside. All of these blocks are there. Oh shit. Maybe. Yeah, let me set this up. Perhaps a little bit. Maybe not right now. I can't really do this. Do you also have a road? Yeah. You didn't update the prefab. No, the prefabs are not updated, but the rest of the stuff is like everything is there, but all the stuff is missing, like shaders, because we switched to 2018. But other than that, all that stuff works. Let me have some water. Nah. All right, that's cool. So you can continue. I can add them when I'm done with this graph. Then I'm gonna add them. Just the colors will give me headaches while I test. I'm really sorry, man. I'm gonna fix it right after this thing. So we're gonna have some more fun. All right. So I have this clamp node. Did I connect this correctly? So input, output, max. All right, let's try turning this on. So this is cafeterian B. Oh, both of them are gonna be with a cube, so why am I even bothered about this too much? Can I go to this? Where did that? So if I go to my meshes, so if I open up my skins and open up my bases, so basically what it does is it turns on like all the stuff. That's the thing that it needs to do. You know what? There's one thing that you can do. You can add to the Roy, if you're still here. I hope you're here. So what you can still add is we have for the characters. Let me actually play this just a second. So if I select one of the characters, let me zoom in on that. Ooh, that's a lot of work. So if I select it, it has this anims. So the anims has some parameters here. You can actually do idle with this as well. And you can also like blend the speed depending on like some kind of float. You can do this. So you can do this, and you can also blink. He also blinks. Actually, I think this one would be better to show on. So if I go to student D, if I set her to idle, I can actually set her to blink as well. And I can also set her to wave. That's like a thing you can do here. Yeah, I think you can even do a button, Like if he doesn't have anything in hand, like if you press like one of the buttons, like button A, then he waves or something like that. That I think could be possible as well. I think it could be even added like outside of everything. They also have the cheer. Nope, not yet. These are all the animations that are there because of the new system. So I can actually have. So basically, what it does. I want to use it in the menu. Oh yeah. I know, that would be nice. Well, you can use the wave for now. Is that possible? But basically, what it makes it possible is that all of these guys can work on the same animator. So this is just amazing, dude. This is a great thing. This is a really great thing. I love this. I love this. So let me save that. Let me save that, and I'm gonna go back to this in a bit when I'm done with this graph. So then I'm gonna be able to export all of these students, and for the short adults that's gonna be like actually simpler because it's just 5-6 skins. Yeah. So I need to just continue grinding with this. This is fun. I actually like this stuff. Like, the thing is that for me this is fun because I like to connect these dots. That's the thing. That's the most fun thing that I could ever have. Like, that I could ever ask for. I just like connecting those dots. Like, for real, it's so interesting. So I can just move this here. Move this, guys. Just moving stuff around and like doing things like that. I like that kind of jazz. Input, output, R. Let's put that invisibility. Invisibility, so now it's actually invisible. So let's put that in. Can I actually turn this off? So yeah, and the cool thing is that it also remembers the skin and everything. So that's nice. That's very nice. Yeah. Alright. So this is going to be there. So I need to open these dads here. Let me collapse these ones. So it's a bunch of stuff here, but this is alright. That doesn't really matter in the game or anywhere else. Like just inside of Maya. As long as Maya can handle it, anything else is like cool with me. Anything else is cool with me. So I finished this also for the students. I actually figured it out, like, so that took me some time to put it together, but it's good. Plus, like, is the playground asphalt? Yeah, for now, yeah. We don't have concept art for that. We're expanding even more. Dude, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. Like, when we're gonna put it together, when the new stuff is gonna come in, like, it's okay for now, we're gonna use these placeholders, but when the newer stuff is gonna come in, it's gonna look just ridiculous. And yeah, for now, playground is going to be asphalt. Playground, yeah. Like the front part, right? So the front part is just going to be like a strip like that now. A small one. So I got those collapsed. Let me move these a bit more. So I can actually open them up. So, yeah. Yeah, for now. Like, just because we decided on making a different screen for the character selection. Oh, that's gonna be so nice if we make it inside of the bus like that, like how we decided. Like, that's gonna be really cool. So this minimum is already plugged in, so I just need the output and I need the visibility. So this is a bit tedious work, but hey, we need this. We need this. Once this is going to be done, it's going to be fucking awesome. So there's output R, input R. R. That goes into, oh, doesn't even allow to plug it into the visibility. Wow, I did not expect that. Close this. So I need this R to be in minimum R. Nice. So yeah, like this just like makes sure that we can turn on all of the visibility channels like at once. All of the invisibility channels at once. Yeah, I have weird demands for stuff. Sometimes some things don't work, and if I would just like export it like this, if I would just export the students like this, then none of the skins would work. If I would open up and play an animation inside Unity, all of them don't work, except the skin that I had open when I saved it. Like, when I exported it, I mean. So that kind of sucks. Alright, so let's keep on hooking these guys up. 1, 2. Let's make these 2 more. Okay. I can actually make this bigger. I don't really need the I don't really need the other views for now. Right. This is real nice. Alright. Let's connect those minimum values. Move this a bit down. Alright. Output. Min. Yeah, both those minimum values. Let's put that in. There's our output R. Alright. Oh, I just have a couple ones to go. Input. And just connect the inputs and stuff. It's going to be alright. So that turns on both of the janitors. Let's actually see how this works. Yeah, that turns on everything. So just the teachers and teachers and moms. Librarian. Okay, just a couple skins. It's a bit like, it's a stretch. So how much do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Why? What? Just like makes it everywhere. That's funny. 1, 2. Oh. Alright, let's just do it like this then. And what I'm gonna do is, let's just open all of them. And I'm just gonna connect all of them together. Like, just real quick like this. In a batch. Let's open up those minimum values. Oh man, the feel good. Hope you guys are having a nice day. Thanks a lot for joining in today. So, minimum R. Just like, let's keep on connecting these buddies. Always, man. Just keep going. All right. So all those minimum values are in there. Let's select this. This is gonna be the last one, so that's nice. Cool. So let's just open up these and close them in. Maybe I could do it to all of them. Input, output, input, output. All right. Input, output, minimum, maximum. This is pretty nice. Input, output. All right, let's open those guys up. Click this away. All right, nice. Let's go ahead and connect those. Yeah, we're gonna need that visibility though. You know what I need to do? I need to set up like a air thingy in my room, like a humidifier, air humidifier. I mean, that would be real nice. Haven't used it for ages. That would be really nice. Plus, with all the hot weather these days, ridiculous. All right, let's open this up. Let's open this up. Drag him up. All right, open up, open up. Open up them all. Nice. All right. And the last 4 skins. This is like taking like forever, man. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Well, alright. Nice. Let's put them together. The last what? So these are the last visibility things that I need to set up for the export tool. The export tool. I'm gonna finish that after the stream. Like, I just need to set up some things in the code. 4 skins. Yep. Yep. So basically, what I can do is, before I export, I can do this. I can have this one skin on, and I can just turn on like an export mode and have all of the skins. So that's nice. Because all of the meshes get baked, and Yellowkin would have made a joke. Yeah, I know. But the problem is that all the time the skin visibility gets baked when the animation gets baked. So when I play the game, the visibility is off just because of the fucking visibility channel is baked. So make one button that makes them all visible. Bam. But that takes some time, because I need to connect them. But that's okay. I have the last 4 to connect. Oh, that's the... Oh. Yeah, so basically I did that for these characters. Let me actually make a skin visibility export. All right. And yeah, for these guys as well, the same. Oh. It just turns on everything. So that's really cool. If I just put this on, for example, or this on, and then I can just turn on all the skins before exporting, and then that's it. Like, that's perfect. Check this out though. I love that. But okay, I need to finish this. Need to finish this node network. So these are the last 4 skins that I need to fix. Let me just make some distance here. Make some noise. Out color. Nice. Just want to open up everything so I can see it. See what exactly we're doing here. All right. Open them up. I'm gonna make these a bit longer. Move them in between, and now that button's going to be done. So that's really cool. Dude, yeah, this is the best. This is the best. I've never had like so much control over everything that's happening inside the pipeline and everywhere. Just with all these new things that I've learned and all this new jazz, this is really nice. R. See? That's all connected. So where is our... Let's have this here. And I'm gonna save this as skins underscore. No, don't even need underscore. Skins export. Let's see. Skins visibility export mode. Okay. So this should like actually save that. So if I accidentally close it, you can actually like open it up. Skins visibility. So that's where I have them all. Because usually you can't really find those things. It's pretty tough to find those. It's pretty tough to find those. It's pretty tough to find them. Alright. So let's close that. Yeah, this is going to be perfect. Let me save this. And let's move on to the last character. Yeah. Last character, man. Extras. So I tested something out here on this character. So let's say like if I have an animation where I mix up the hands or something, then I can know where the hand is. I haven't skinned these characters yet, by the way. But yeah, like I think I'm going to do that for all of the characters, so you kind of know where stuff is if it's attached to something, or if not, then not. Oh well. Tried out a bunch of cool things. So let's open up. I think this one should also have like a bookmark for the visibility channels. So let's check it out. Short layers. What is this? Janitor, teacher. It doesn't have others? What is this? Where's that? No way! It doesn't have them. It doesn't have those conditions. Oh, this really sucks. But I think that I should be able to grab them up. So let me close those bookmarks. Let me drag this away. This should be possible. Yep. Look what I got here. Condition 1, 2. Or maybe they don't even have conditions. That would really suck. Yeah, they do have conditions. And here they are. All of those conditions are here. So I can just drag them in, right? So janitor, teacher. So these two need to go in here. Alright, and also... Okay, and also those skins. Librarian and dad. So I'm gonna drag them in here as well. And it insta makes that connection. Oh, nice. That's just the way I like it. Alright, and then I'm missing condition 4, 5. And that should be inside of this anim short. Shapes, condition 4. Add to the graph. Really? How could I add this to the graph? How could I select condition? How could I select a condition? Oh, there it is. Why did it not? That's interesting. Condition 5. Condition number 5. Let's add condition 5. Oh, nice. So everything is also neatly organized. Cool. So let's make something new here. Just like we made for the previous characters. I'm going to need some new nodes, and one of those nodes is going to be a clamp node. Let's go to my utilities, clamp node. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why does it make that kind of like a star or something? Insta, like just star mode. Okay, thank you. So let's do a also we need a condition, and this condition, let's make sure that this works. So if it's equal to 1, so basically if this is going to be on, then it's going to be on. If it's going to be on, then it's going to be off. Makes sense, right? Perfect sense. So alt color. Let me also add in this group. But the thing is, first things first, let's add an attribute for the group. And this attribute is going to be named export underscore mode. And let's do a boolean, and let's add that. So we have this on and off here now. Nice. Let's close this, and let's go ahead and add this short rig group. Alright, now here I have that export mode, and let me put that in the first term. So now if I check this here, then the first term is 1, so I can just keep on switching that on and off. And that's going to be really convenient later. Alright. Let's keep it off for now. And all these clamp nodes, let's just hook hook up the minimum node. Hook it up to the min. Alright. Min. And also for this one, let's open this up. Min. Alright. So what we need is this R value. Alright. And just go hook it up. Hook it up, hook it up. Alright. Oh, really? Alright. So once all of these are hooked up, let's just close these min and open the input and output. So this takes some time, but it's totally worth it, I think. It's totally worth it. This is gonna save so much time in the future just exporting, because I hate breaking those values and then Control-Zing that. I just want something that's solid and that doesn't break. Because if I forget that and if I just Control-S, just save that once, that's going to be the end of the skin system right there. I'm gonna have to remake a lot of stuff. I'm gonna have to remake a lot of stuff. So let's just open these. Alright, let's open this up as well. Nice. We'll just keep on opening all of these guys. All right. Let's move this around. And each of them needs this node here now. Nice. 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 This is good. Yeah, I like connecting these nodes. Nice. So let's see how this guy reacts. So if I do what? There's something wrong. There is something wrong. R. Oh, max. Max R. That should be in the min. Let's just check everything. Everything is R. Alright. Set that up. Just the max values. Forgot to add those inside of the actual node. Nice. Greg on break today? I don't know. Good question. Good question. Perhaps. And that's alright. That's alright. So yeah, this works now. Like you can just like turn on all of the masks and everything. That's cool. So now this works for all of the characters. Whew, that was some work, but man, oh my god, this is gonna save me so much work every time now. Just this 1 click, 0, 1. Because before it was just Control Z kind of stuff, just break it and then Control Z back to normal, so that was not really nice. So this is going to be really good. While I still have it open. Oh my god, I almost cheesed it. The graph editor. The node editor, I mean. So if I... Let me just save this while I still can. So I'm gonna close these. I'm gonna close them. Double click this. Double click that. Double click these. This is like aiming constantly. All right. So this is going to be the skins visibility export mode. Nice. Yep, that's perfect. So we have that saved as well. If necessary, turn that on. So this is nice. Cool. Thanks a lot for all you guys being here today. This is going to be a nice thing for exporting. Cool. Let's reset this. All the other skins as well. All right. And let's get back to Unity, right? What was inside Unity? So we switched to a new version today, which is pretty nice. It's actually pretty cool. Modeling. Let me also add this. Nice. Some more communities here. Alright. So where my Unity go? So yesterday we stopped with this hand here. I think I need to polish it a bit more. So I also restarted my computer, and for some reason now it's much smoother. So that's really cool. I'm happy about that. Alright, let me check out the graph editor. It always has the answers. And while it's opening, come on, you can do it, graph editor. I can't even manipulate anything. Maybe we should drop the system in real life as well as creative sometime. What do you mean? Maybe you should drop the stream in real life as well as creative sometime. What do you mean? Yeah, something with Maya. Goddamn Maya. I didn't really have it saved or anything, like, anyways. Theme IRL. Yeah, that's true. Well, we should do those. We should do those talk shows that we're talking about on our Discord. Like we should start doing that kind of stuff. I think we could actually talk about like our 3D pipeline or something like that if people are interested. Like in the next week we should discuss that, because next week I'm gonna have some more streams. Just like theme creative. I don't really know what you mean with themes. Like as a theme for the conversation or something like that, right? Or what do you mean? Alright, so just like theme creation. Theme creative. Oh, you know what I missed? Like all of their eyes. Yeah, but like now it's creative. It's not really IRL. Have you seen IRL streams? It's like just it's not really this. It's something else. That's why for now it's creative. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like, is this creative or IRL? Well, we can try it. Like, let's try it tomorrow. Tomorrow? No, tomorrow I'm not streaming. Next week, let's try that. Let's try both. Like one day one and the other day the other. Like, what is the difference? Is there a difference? Is there a difference? So, I noticed that there's a couple of ones that are missing shadows here. So let me go to my prefabs. I've actually made some prefabs for the light, so I don't need to think about like making shadows or something like that. Everything is pretty quick. Let me do shadow student. Yeah, 50% is creative, and some of them are just like talking, like talk stuff, right? That's true. That's true. Alright. Actually, I could make this floor a bit bigger. It's gonna be, let me duplicate these guys. Duplicate a bit more. Bam. Yeah. Oh, this is really weird, like wool. I can go to the substance, go to the substance graph. So that now, like with the substance plugin, this is kind of interesting. Like they've added, like everything is sorted out in a way, I would say. I need like tiling for this, and I would also like this to be like 512 perhaps. So it's a bit more crisp, and now I can like just make it smaller. The target with the bottom there is a bit low. Yeah, that's the one. You mean these the shadows? I would actually like these shadows to be like an actual projection of the character down. Or like, what do you mean? The target width at the bottom there is a bit low. The material setting you just did. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no worries. Like, I think it's it needs to scale up a bit. I think this needs to be scaled up a bit. But I'm not sure, like, if you can do it directly from here. Tiling. I think that this... No, this is for emissive, right? Alright. It's annoying, the delay. Yeah, I feel you. I feel that. That's alright. No worries. Delay is a part of our lives. For now, it's good. Yeah, I think like this, so it's more fine like that. I can make it more, but I think that 512 is okay for this kind of texture. I can bump it up like to 1K, let's say, but I think that this is like a... You can't tell the difference. can you? You can't really tell a difference. I think it's perfect. I think you couldn't even tell a difference between this. Okay, between this you can. Yeah. Normal map is yellow, but it works. Like it's a different it's a different type. It's a different type of normal map. Let's apply this. Does it? Yeah, like in this case it works. It's a different kind of normal map. It looks like yellow. Cool, right? Nice. Yeah, it's kind of weird for the walls at least. All right, so I need to fix the wall prefabs, right? Let me actually grab them then, because this is, if I revert this, oh god, that's gonna revert it. Yeah. But what I can do is, let me just go to the prefabs. Let's fix those guys up so we can try some stuff out, right? Prefabs, environment, adjust the materials. Yeah. So let's see which ones are broken. Bush.
Producer behind tons of classic songs for artists like The Far Side, The Tribe Called Quest, De La Soul, Common, Busta Rhymes, Erykah Badu. In hip-hop circles, he's thought of as one of the greatest of all time.
Alright, floor, corner, pole, corner pole, door, double door, straight, and also the window. Okay, all of these guys are in. Let's start adjusting those materials. Alright. Could I actually do window? Let's move window like here. Straight, double. Corner, where's the corner? Let's put it a bit further. Wow, that's a big floor. Huge floor. What if I would add a carpet to that one? Oh, zoomed out a bit too much. And the pole is going to be here, and the floor is going to be here. And then for all of them, I can give like one like Z value. So let's do 10. Why didn't it do it for all of them though? Strange. Let's do 23. Let's do 23 on all of them. And everything except the pole is like that. So I find that a bit weird. Yeah, the pivot point is in a weird position. So I think yeah, we just need to wait until Max is going to finish up those walls. I need those walls from him. That's going to be a really next step. Just making the school like look really nice. So this needs, let's go to my models, environments, school, textures. Okay, so we have the wool. This is where nested prefabs would come really nice actually. Dude, why do we have it already? I need to actually get some window. Package manager. Let's get the packages. Built-in packages. Wind. What is this? Need cinema machine. Is there a cinema machine? Is there? Why are there a lot of missing? Oh, those were in project. Post-processing. Why is post-processing in preview? I need like a not preview version. This is interesting. Cool. You can't add the prefab yet. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Built-in packages, animation. But where's oh, you can even build for Oculus and all that kind of shit like that. Okay, let's install Cinemachine. We're gonna definitely need that. Burst. But post-processing, is that the post-process stack? Is that the same thing? I guess so, right? I guess so. Yeah, of course. Of course we do add Cinemachine. We're gonna need that. I guess it also has been in preview. No, this is actually not in preview. This was like a legit stable release. I think, I don't know. I don't know. It's a good question. I think like the newest versions are always in preview. Like some new versions are in preview. But yeah, I wonder. Pro Builder could be interesting, like to play around with. That would be nice. So let me just check out the post-processing stuff. Where's the camera? Can I add like? I don't think that I have post. Oh, it already has like post-processing. Where can I see what I already have in my cart, in my assets? I don't even know. I don't even remember where that was. My local downloads. Ooh, this should be interesting. I hope it doesn't show any weird folders. Man, I can't do two things at a time. That's okay. That's okay. No, I'm just checking out. I'm just checking out if post-processing. Yeah, the post-processing stack. And I already have that jazz. Post-processing behavior, right? Can you make one? Let me just try this. Create. Let me make a new folder here. Post process. Let's open this and let's try creating post process profile. Alright, default. Oh, that's cool. So that's a by default already. That works. That's even better. So we didn't have to. You didn't do anything of that sort, right? You didn't implement those things. I don't think so. Why would you need to implement those? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So let me find this. Where are the materials at? School walls. I need those. I need that fabric wall. I need to keep on filling this up. Let's keep on filling that up. So that's fixed. And let's also fix the bricks. Let's fix the bricks. I tried some. All right. So these seem pretty okay. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. As cringy as now it looks, this is fine. Yeah, I'm completely okay with the situation now. Afterwards I'm just gonna clean up the positions. Let's go ahead and just apply those. Let's apply that. So let's find the art, environment, school. Let's find that jazz. So now those should be clean. Let's clean this up. Clean them up. Damn. So, alright. That's clean. Alright. Now I can delete them. Because we don't need them anymore. Poll. Let me try, for example, if I drag this in. Yeah, that's gonna be fine. Let's try something out. We have Greg. As Greg is not on stream, but Greg is still here. Sorry, Greg. We have a student. You're the first student. Characters, teachers. Ooh. Missing. Controller. Missing prefab. Missing this. I'm always here. Hey man, here's a high five, dude. Thanks a lot for being here, dude. How's your day, Greg? How's your day, Greg? So yeah, this is actually almost all of the first people that are going to be in the game. There's more. There's lots more. But I just haven't showed them yet. And that's cool. So, Bernard. Let's set up prefabs. Let's set up all the character prefabs. If we have teachers, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, those are all here. So we have teachers. Let me also make a new one, and let's call that janitors. Let's make a folder. Janitors. Janirots. Janirots. Oh, rainy. I feel you, man. Janirots. I feel you. Our weather here is also janitors. Our weather here is also not the best, at least at this point. It's like nasty. Let's clean up this guy as well. The runtime avatars. The runtime animators are also clear. For now, that's okay, because they don't have like any skins or anything. I actually need to make a couple of other ones as well, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I think my batteries have died. Let's put some new ones in. At least it's not hot like hell. Yeah, I agree with that. I prefer it like a bit colder. Like just chilly. A bit warmer than this though. If it wouldn't rain, it would be really nice. Alright, let's see. It's gonna work. It works. Nice. Cool. So, let's have a sip of water. And let's check out these students. These students are all filled in. So, I think I can put some more in. We need Greg. We need you, Greg. Found you. Nice. So I can duplicate this, right? Should be able to duplicate it. Cool. Can you just do this? Oh, wow, dude. This is amazing. I love this. It's a like game object. Wow. So Greg is going to be Greg. I'm gonna get Rachel. I'm gonna have Rachel too. That's going to be Daniel. And Daniel is going to be the guy with the glasses. And then is going to be we need a woman's name. We need a woman's name, guys. We need a woman's name, guys. Because this is going to be our other character. Fixen. Fixen. Fix. Fixen. No, man. We need she's going to be can't come up with the female's name. Oh, I have names for them. What am I talking about? I don't even need to look them up. Like don't even need to think about a name. I can just look them up. Characters, students, and I have my fifth. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Look at how much there are. This is crazy. Olivia. We can call her Olivia. What do you guys think? Don't have kids. Yeah. Well, then you have like enough time to figure it out. Like you're like, oh, I'm gonna have a kid. I need to come up with a name. So that's when you can start working on it. You know? Until you get the birth certificate. Afterwards, like, maybe you can, like, if it becomes a thing, you can just let the kid figure it out eventually. Like, hey, what's your name? Well, I'm trying out a lot of names now. So that's gonna be his job. He's gonna be coming up like a person who comes up with names for people. Imagine that. That can be a family profession. When the next kid like gets born, you don't have to do that. Tummy. Alva. Arlie. Ari. Astrid. Aubrey. Let's call her Aubrey. Because Aubrey hasn't been here for a long time and he was a really weird guy. I love the albatross. What did I just say? Aubrey. I just didn't know how to write it anymore. Aubrey. Because like definitely like reminds me of Aubrey. Alright. So we have Aubrey. Aubrey is going to be this one. Then we let's try out your stuff, by the way. Oh. Greg. It's still Greg. So Greg is going to be number 1. A1. So let's unlock that. Aubrey is going to be E. Daniel is going to be H. And Greg is going to be A. And what stuff? Oh no, nothing. It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's going to be fine. Let's save this. And let's go to the game view. Do you mind if I... Oh! Why? Oh, you need to update this. You need to update this, right? First go to the rooms. So content, rooms, design scene, right? I suppose. Alright. Baked scenes. Move something, save. Oh, okay. Oh, what's up with this? Oh, it's making light for some reason. Can I also not make light all the time? Because it looks great anyways. So now it's gonna save, right? Don't worry, it's going to be fine. I don't make boom too loud. Oh dude, like last time when I broke my glass? That was funny. That was very funny. So basically, that's what I do. Just check if it works the first time. Yeah, let me check it out. Yeah, it works. So I need to just move something so it saves, right? Why does it keep baking the lightning? No, stop. Save. Okay. Yeah, bakes. Baked boy. So, and then I go to schools, right? It should all be cool. Okay, that's perfect, I suppose. Game. Let's go to the game scene. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Because this is not the updated version yet, right? That's not the updated version yet. So if I go back to content. Yep, yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. Design. So this is not in the baked scene. If I check the baked scene, then this is the one that I get inside of the game. So it's kind of, yeah, okay, I get that. So that's the way how we handle nested prefabs now. Alright. Cool. Dude, my skin is coming off. I went to the beach and now it's coming off. So let's find a game. Yeah, right, that's working. So where's the camera? So if I have Cinemachine, I should be able to add Cinemachine, free virtual, yeah, a CM cam. Okay, and this needs a CM brain. Can't add because brain's already added to the main game object. Is this the main game object? Because that's definitely not what I wanted. Oh, okay. No, it's actually cool. So I want to make a... Can I just make a shot? Virtual camera. There's something wrong. Oh, okay. It's already added. What the fuck? Yeah, it works. It should work. So I want to add this tile. So where's my camera? So aim. The composer. What is this? What is this? That's fine. Also need like tile 7, tile 6, let's say. Yeah, tile 6. Let's just drop tile 6 at the look at. Let's check out the game. I'll open the game view like this. Let me just move this around a bit. Move it up. Alright. Alright, let's try this out. Okay, well I keep building the build tool. That's alright. I think it's cool, right? Like, right now it's pretty nice. So there's something really vivid. Because yeah, those floor tiles are also 22, so I want to keep the camera in line. So for now it's going to be just straight. Let's play that and test it out. Oop. Let me combine those two screens. Let's play this. So is it going to grab more characters? Is it going to make more characters, or is it going to play? Is it even going to work? I don't think so, right? Go to menu. Oh, now it works from menu. Menu. Save. Oh, okay. I think I haven't seen this. That's before start. Okay, let's play. This would be cool if I could go through this with the controller. But I guess we can set that up later, right? Ooh. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice. Add the character to the character loader. Oof. I've cheesed it. I've cheesed it. This is my cheese. Look at this. This is my cheese. Okay. So I started from the menu. That's really cool, dude. Thanks a lot for that. Add the character to the character loader. Character loader. What is the character loader? Teacher profiles. Janitor profiles. Profiles. Oh, nice. Can I have 4? Can I have Daniel here? And let's have Aubrey here. And then from Rachel, let's go back to our prefabs and let's zero these guys out. And also what I'm going to do is let's lock this up and students anim. There should be students anims. Yep. That's just what I need. And I'm gonna apply that to all of them. Hey, what's up, Wormius? How's it going, dude? Setting up some jazz. Okay, let me just test it out. How's it going, dude? How's it going, dude? How's your day? I saw you're streaming today. How is it going? I'm sorry I had like a lot of jazz again. These days are really really annoying. INC also joined the keyboard. Okay. Hey, look at that. What's this? Can there... No one else can join, right? But there's like another controller. Nice. Can I make it faster? Can I make them faster? C is WASD. Okay. Okay, let me adjust the speed a bit. I'm gonna find Greg again. I can adjust the speed here. Base speed is going to be like 3.5. Let's do 4. Base slow timer. What is base slow timer? I don't think I used the values. God damn! God damn! No! 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 No, Roy! No, Roy! No! 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 No. 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 Okay. Let's move on. It's counterproductive to be a little bitch. I like using that phrase now. Being a little bitch is counterproductive. No, Roy. No. I don't want that to become the catchphrase, though. I'm not gonna use it anymore. And then use arrows left and right. Alright. Dude, you've done a great job. Like, look, did you guys see the menu that he's made? This is fucking awesome. But yeah, I'm a little bitch. That's fucking funny, man. I like it. That's funny. I like the work that you've been doing. All this progress has been really nice, man. I need to do... So, all the skins have been worked out. So basically I can export them really nice now. What would be nice is I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna close it because I used it just for reference. I'm doing alright. Started making backend with the Java for my game. Oh, that's cool, dude. For the puzzle game, right? Can you menu once again? I can menu once again. Let me save this. I was just menu. Let's play this. Grab 2 Xbox controllers. Alright. 2 Xbox controllers. Let's try this out. Let's do play. Local. Oh! I can select more characters! What? This actually worked! I didn't even press that, because I thought it's a keyboard thing. Why am I so lazy sometimes? So I want to be this guy with the other controller. Look at those eyes. Those are devil eyes. What the fuck? Alright, let's press A on this guy and A on that guy. It is still too fast. Like, yeah, the B to leave. Okay, let me check this out. And let's try this out. Nothing's happening, but it's running really smooth. It crashed. Okay. Let me try this again. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's gonna be okay. What I wanted to try out is A. So let's say these guys are... So did he leave? Okay, he left, but the thing hasn't updated yet, right? Oh, dude, this is really cool. So now the white one is the second one. And if I disable that, if I disable both, and now this one, very smooth, 0 FPS. No, it was actually 90. So the black one is the first one, and now the second one is the white one. And if I disconnect them, so now the first one is the white one, and if I press this, now second one is this one, and if I use I, okay, that's cool, dude. You've done a nice job. Here's a high five, dude. And I can still change them. So let's say this is going to be like that. Is there a way how to change that? Like to zoom in or out? Well, we're gonna change it soon anyways. It doesn't matter. Don't listen to me at all. So these work. So if I press I on that, I, it's gonna crash, right? It crashed, right? So look at that. Look at the FPS counter. It's 90 FPS. I just added some values from code. That's okay. Yeah, it crashes right now, I guess. But this is really cool. Prefab. Let me go to prefab scene. Thanks a lot for all you guys joining in today. If you haven't said hi already and you've been lurking, hi to you. Thanks a lot for being here, guys. We're working on some, or some events are not in there. Okay, so we're working on on implementing prefabs and characters and checking out the menu system that we have. Checking out some good juice. So I think let's finish that those two animations for these two guys. For these three guys actually, and then we can actually add in teachers. We can add in teachers and see how they animate. All right, let's save this. Close that. Go to my models. Let me actually check if they have some kind of controller here. Oh, I need to clean this up. Let's make a folder. And this is going to be materials. Materials. All right. So there's anim. So anim is an FBX. So now I actually can't tell which is. You can't really tell unless you open this up that this is an SBSR file. That it's a substance file. Okay, let me put my controllers on the side a bit. I'm gonna use that a bit later. So yeah, I need to collect all of these guys inside of the materials. Let's just drag them in there. Gonna be much nicer. Cool. Very cool. Wait until that saves. Could actually load up this guy. Just let's sabotage. Need my anim references on the side here. All right. So yeah. Well, this takes a lot of time to load. Also doesn't open up Maya. Maya, come on. Was it because... Was it the stuck version? Was it the stuck version? I think that was the one that crashed just a second ago before. Yeah, this is the crashed one. But that's okay, I can just close it then and keep on working anyways. So, Maya, go home. You crashed. You crashed, Maya. Go home. Alright, let's open a new one. And let's chickadee check it. So yeah, so far that's pretty cool. How could we hook up those the idle states and towards the buttons and stuff, like towards the actual character? I think idle should be pretty simple, right? So need to hook up that nice material of the lollipop. Need the lollipop material there. Come on, lollipop material. But I quite don't like the look of it. But that's to fix for another time. Oh, all of them are easy. Yeah, I suppose so. It's just like a one thing, right? Let me push this towards you, and let's continue with that. That's 98 commits. Like, look at that. We made a clean git as well. This is the cleanest Unity project I've ever seen in my life. For now. Like, every time it's like that. You start, but I'm gonna try keeping it relatively clean. Alright, let's push this. So, this is clean characters. No, this is fixed. Click fixed prefabs and characters. Let's push that jazz. Give it a minute. Yep. Give it a minute. That's exactly. I think it's gonna take less than a minute. Because soon we're gonna have to replace certain things, certain FBXs. So that's going to be fun. I don't see minute when I type that. That's okay. That's strange. Okay. Well, that's set in action. For some reason, that's open. So, let's open my... It's all students. It's all students, boy. Ooh, we have merge conflicts. Yes, let's resolve them. Menu scene Unity. That's not mine. So I'm going to take yours. And let's commit this. Lobby meta. What's up with that? Lobby meta files. That should not be a thing. Yeah. That should be yours. I totally agree with that. Okay. Menu. Let's check it out. So how are you guys doing today? Everyone's so quiet. Is it supposed to be like that? I usually don't want to be streaming at this point. Okay. Or is it... Do I need to press something? I think I need to press something, right? Or something. Because now I don't see anything. Oh man, it starts raining really bad. Canvas are interactive. Yeah, but I can't see... seem to see anything. I know that there's this stuff, but when I play, then there's nothing. Open canvas, turn on all except settings. Okay. Bam. Let's play. Let's try it out. Yeah, this would be nice with the controller, but we're gonna work that out. Alright, let's play this. Let's just try it out. Oh, that's weird. That's a meta problem, I think. That's in the prefabs. Let me just check out the prefabs. Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna fix it through there, but can fix it here though. What? This is all 0. Is it? Could it be because something else? What could it be? What could be the cause? Yeah, okay. Let's try this. Just want to see it move. Yeah, like. Okay, now it doesn't have any weird offsets or something. Can I check it in the game view as well? If it gets any weird offsets? I don't think so. No, it's clear. Ooh. Player clone. Clone. Is it cloned twice? Oh dude, it gets spawned in twice. Can you interact with the door? Let me see that. I don't think that we even gonna need that, but with A, right? No, it doesn't work. Alright, that's okay. You can actually leave it, because doors, I don't think... Oh no! Yeah, doors can stay. Doors can stay. For beginning of a class, like, they're gonna be open, but afterwards we need to have that. You can kick someone out if you collaborate with someone then. Alright. So let's continue working on this animation. We'll delete all the first character clones. Oh, okay. Too late. Are there, I'm gonna save this, right? The menu scene. No? Don't save. Okay. If I play this, then there's going... Oh, okay. It already loads the clones. So, and if I go from menu... What happens if I go to menu? Let's see what goes... Okay. Need to load up the canvas things again. Canvas, canvas, canvas. Settings. Let's play that. Pop, 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 pop. You can save it, but don't push. Yeah, I'm not gonna save it, it's alright. So yeah, I can delete the second ones, right? Nice. Okay. Oh, I did it somehow. Always make backup, just in case. Yeah, you're right. I did it somehow by holding A, by the way. I guess it's in like is it in like an update loop or something like that? So it like keeps checking it? So it maybe like presses it twice before I don't know, man. I actually don't know how that works. I'm gonna have to research that. Alright. That works. Nice. So I would like to actually make but interacting works, that means. Yeah. Nice, dude. Fucking awesome work. Nice. Nice job. Nice job. So I think I'm just going to be working on this this thing, and then I'm gonna also end the stream. I'm starting to feel hungry again, like crazy hungry. Now go make animes. Yeah, boy. Let's work on that. Also, let me open my prefab scene. Oh, it's saved. God damn it. There's one thing I need to fix. One thing we need to fix, and those are the eyes of the rest of these characters. Because I think if I press play now, most of them are going to be like zombies. Okay, like this one, for example, and this one. They need nice eyes. Let's give them nice eyes. So let's go to our H character. So he has eyes, and he should have like two materials. Let's find this. Models. I could actually open up the eyes. Yeah, look at that. That's nasty. And also this one. This one also has that. Did I hear zombies? Here's my hatchet. Where's my hatchet? No, it's not that bad, hopefully. They look like zombies now with all the magenta stuff, dude. That's, I really dislike that usually. Students. Let's drop material. And we need the eyes. We need the eyes. So this is what we need. And matte. That's the transparency one, and this is the one that we need here, or vice versa, vice versa. Yep, like that. All right, that works. So both of these guys, let's enable back those eyelids. Let's save these guys. Let's apply. And also this one. Let's apply them. And I'm gonna select these guys again. Do 0. So now if we run them, let's see how this looks how we run. Scene. Nice. That looks great. These look piled up. So that's all of the skins together. And yeah, these are also running great. Alright. And also, what I would like to do is make a character controller for, no, not the character controller, but the anim controller for the grown-ups. So let's go ahead and do that as well. I'm gonna go into models, characters, and let me just copy this one. Let's Control C. I hope that Control C works like that here. No, it didn't. No worries as well. Let's just duplicate this twice. Almost like a Robot Army in iRobot movie. Yeah, dude, this is, to be honest, guys, this is the biggest type of like the biggest project that I've had like this. I've never had so much characters to make. I've never had so much things to take care of, and just it's a big scale, but it's manageable in its own way. You know, I didn't take something that is like that I couldn't understand. I made everything like balanced out. Like the art is not like super hard to make, and everything else is also easier to manage, but in other ways it's like the biggest thing that I've done in my life. So that's kind of crazy. Adult underscore tall. Nice. And let's name this adult short. Nice. And let's move these to the characters. Yeah. And short also has like a small problem here. Let's make a let's make a folder here. And let's call this folder materials. Nice. But yeah, I feel like every day it's like opening this and seeing these guys is just like so awesome just to see them grow. And how I remember how when we started what these characters looked like and how they look like now, it's just like what? So crazy. So cool at the same time as well. Just like with other games, I always like to see the process of other people growing. It's just so amazing. Alright, so we throw these in. Let's put them in the folders where we need them. So, and these guys also have like the same controls and also the same parameters. So I'm just going to give them, I'm gonna open up and see what kind of animations I have here for now. Oh, that's something different. So I'm gonna export that. I'm gonna export those robots. That's a stack of robots, Greg. I'm like exporting stacks of robots. So how that works is that I grab the rig, turn the export mode off if I figure out how booleans work in Maya. After using it for 6 years almost, I don't know how booleans work. I just started realizing that I don't know anything about Maya. I don't know how to just trigger a basic boolean, like how to flip it. I don't know just so much things, just basic stuff now, and I feel like a baby in Maya. Like I can do it myself, but I'm starting to learn how to code it inside Maya, so that's a big deal for me. Baby steps. So okay, let's go ahead and export this. So that's going to be as one of our FBXs. So basically, I export all of the characters in one FBX, like together here. If it would be, of course, like a AAA character, then that wouldn't work. But in our case, it works really well. Let's do animations, and then we have the tall rig. Yeah, let's do that. let's see how those blend. Let's see how those blend inside Unity. Okay, let me just drag and drop this animation here to the other side. So where is this? Show me. Show me where is this. Here we have this FBX, and now we need the other FBX that I just exported. So that should be in our animations folder. Animations. So the tall test. Let's. Adult tall test. Why the fuck are they? Oh, okay. Actually, we need those. Let me make a underscore old folder. Or underscore tests. Underscore tests. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. And I'm gonna put in the test ones in there. So these are going to be the final ones. And I'm also going to write these down here. So let's see. Teachers, students. No, that should be adults. Adults. Short. Also, we need to start working on our blend shapes and some other things, and I need to finish the facial rig for the characters. So that's also going to be a bit of a stretch. Adult. Adults. No, adult. Just adult. Like that. That's all. Alright, guys. I'm gonna leave you for a second. We're going to implement those animations, but for now I'm gonna go to the toilet, and I'll be back in a second to join you guys back. Wee! Hey guys, I'm back. How are you guys doing? How's it going? Let's continue with our animation. With our animation? No, with renaming these things, right? where did I end? So, oh yeah, I imported the animations, right? Or did I? Didn't import anything. I was stuck renaming these guys. Adult, short, and short I'm also gonna make capitalized just for the sake of it. Okay. Hey Justin Miller, how's it going, dude? Long time no see. Let me capitalize these letters. How are you, man? Thanks for joining the stream. Alright, let's copy this across. Nice. Now I would like to see these animations work, please. Let's see. Good. Being busy, yeah, dude. I feel that. I've been busy as well. I've been working on my graduation, and I actually graduated like last Friday. And on next Monday I'm gonna have my graduation ceremony, but it's been a rough ride. It's been fun. But it's done now. It's done now. It's done. Wait, when? Monday. Monday is going to be the thing. By the way, I would have invited you, but it's like in the evening. Yeah, on Monday. Monday evening something. And I only have 3 spots. And all of them are taken already. What's next? Yeah, I'm sorry, dude. It's just 3 spots. My family already taken it. Real quick, man. It's crazy. Now, what's next? What's next is continuing with the Twisted Hive. Twisted Hive. We're gonna continue and work on Sabotage and our future projects as well. We already have a lot of lined up stuff, so we're just gonna keep on going, right, Roy? Let's apply this. Let's check this. The run animation's fine. Let's add this as well. Let's loop that pose. I'm gonna add 1 more frame there. Or take it away. No, Roy, no! That's fucking funny. It's cool. Yeah, like, I'm not gonna do anything more with school. I was thinking about doing a bachelor's. No, not a bachelor's, but a master's. But I don't know about it. I don't know if I need that right now. Run cycle. And let me rename these. Walk cycle. Walk it like I talk it. Alright, let's apply that. Masters. Yeah, master's degree. Master's degree is a baby boy. You don't want a master's degree. You're a master of Sabotage Universe. Yeah, dude, that's the thing. That's the thing, man. That's funny. So let me put this run cycle in the run cycle, and let me put the walk cycle in the walk cycle. Your job is Twisted Hive, right? Yep, I'm working for Twisted Hive. I'm Twisted Hive. Part of Twisted Hive. 1/2 of Twisted Hive. Roy's the other half. We're a nice team, I must admit. So let me just add these anim controllers here. I like those Minecraft noises sometimes. I wish you could add like sound effects to Unity. Like you would drop this and it would go like. So let's just see if this works. How does this work? It should be fine. I have a feeling like that. Yeah, just don't select stuff. Yeah. How did you come up with that name? Twisted Hive? It's I don't know, it's a mix of everything, I would say. Like everything that we've been through. It's about like it's that all of us are bees. Like all of us are beings in a way, you know? I'm a being, you're a being. Wormius is a being, Justin Miller's a being, and Druid Greg's a being, Roy's a being, who isn't a being. And and then we thought, well, I thought of this name, Hive. It's like Java beans. No, just like bees, like actual bees. In like and where do bees live? And bees live in a hive. So twisted, like because everybody's twisted in their own way. And Hive also because how I vision everything. So it's like the ultimate form of being. You vision yourself with others and that kind of stuff. Like it's like being together with others and making cool stuff. And it's awesome. And beings can't die. Like if beings disappear, then that's it for the world. That's it. That's it, man. Bees can't disappear. Bees move a lot of shit, man. Yeah, high five. Here's a high five, dude. That's why I do this jazz. So, okay. Let me stop procrastinating. For some reason that was a weird glitch. Let me save this. And let's work on this hand a bit. Graph editor. Let's work on that graph. I like that emoji. Alright, let's just clean these up a little bit. Here and there. Bam, bam, bam. This can go. Yeah, like this is a bit nonsense. Some of these points don't really make sense here. Like this. This is just dumb. Okay. Let's play this, see how that looks like. Starting to look a bit nicer. Before you say anything, I'm a programmer. No, Roy, no. Nice, I like that. I like that. It's a good one. We need t-shirts like that. We need Twisted Hive t-shirts like that, dude. Do you have access to the logo? To the logos? I think you do. You should. It's the basic Twisted Hive stuff. Move this a bit up. I think you should be able to access that. If you don't, just let me know on Discord. I'll send you or share you a link so you have it on your Dropbox as well. This is the rotations. This is a weird rotation. I'll look into where I would print something. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Oh, this looks a bit better now. Just cleaning up some of these curves is like pretty neat. Pretty neat. Gives nice results. Rotate Z, and this is also a bit weird here, right? Looks nicer. Yeah, well, just wanted to pop in, and it's lunchtime. Then I gotta get back to work. Alright, dude. Oh, you're having like a summer job or something like that. That's nice, man. Well, thanks a lot for popping by. Hope to see you around more. Hope you have a nice nice day and good luck with work, man. Here's a high five. Keep being positive, man. Cheers. It was nice seeing you around. It was nice seeing you around, Justin. And this is weird. Just that weird beak there. Yeah, let me just look up something for you. Let me look up something for you, Roy. Logo. Let me copy that link. I'm a Discord at? Nice. Yeah, this is kind of weird here, that it has this sudden bump of sorts. See that? Kind of bumps like that. That should not happen that fast. I think that it should be nicer if it just goes like that. Yeah, this could be a bit lower, then this could also be like that. Try that out. That looks much smoother. That looks much smoother. Oh, that's nice. This would be nice for animation. Don't really need the outliner either. Actually, don't quite like the arm. What if I just delete these keys? Because those are kind of like weird. Yeah, it's gonna look okay. I think this is gonna be right. Alright, let's try this on the other hand. And then I'm also gonna make an idle cycle, I think, for them. And then let's test it out how it looks like in Unity. And then we're also going to end today's stream. It's been really fun so far. Thanks guys for being here. Thanks a lot. Alright, so where are we going to start with this? Let's go to our assets. Asset. And open up these images. So this really helps like to establish like the timing and how the hands should be positioned and stuff like that. It's a good reference that I have here. Thanks to the Animator Survival Kit, man. That book is the best. If you guys haven't had it, like I would suggest you guys look it up. Animator Survival Kit. I'm talking about this jazz. Alright, so the first frame, let me just open those guys up. Alright. So this is going to be in the back. So position it like this. Something like that. Alright. Move it around just a bit. A little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. Maybe let's keep them somewhat in line with each other. Alright. So, yeah, let's keyframe this. I'm gonna go 4 frames further, and there's the down pose, and it kind of goes a bit further. Alright. I'm just going through all the poses. Okay. This could be just a bit more backwards, like here. Okay. Alright, maybe that's a bit too much. Just drag it back here somewhere. This could be there. Alright. I like how it always stops, like in a certain position, when you don't have any more keyframes. Alright, I'm almost ready. So this hand actually goes a bit faster because I kind of know already what I wanted to do with it. Kind of know where it's going. Alright. So yeah, if any one of you guys are working on some really cool stuff, or whatever you're working on, anything is really cool stuff in my eyes, you can share a link of your screenshot or a portfolio link in your chat, in the chat here, in your chat. Curls like up just a bit more. All right. Kind of turn it a bit back, or does it go a bit back? Stays like that in our chat. Yeah, exactly. That's what I meant to say. In our chat. And let's copy this last keyframe here. Alright, let's save this. I'm gonna pause that. Alright, let's check out those curves again. This is kind of interesting. Maybe we can make this a bit more. Alright, just making it a bit more interesting like that. But other than that, I think that this should be alright. Let's go ahead and copy these keyframes towards another control that I have here. Paste. Let's paste that jazz. And let's take a look at this. Why are his ears like flipped? So weird. Does also work in the run cycle? Oh, in the run cycle everything's fine. Let's check that out again. 31. Let's select those. Alright. Oh, it doesn't even have any. Okay. Alright, then let's connect that here. Why does it... Look how smooth he looks like though, without the ears. So beautiful. Nice. Not today. Translate Y. I think that's like something with the rotate. But what's up with the rotate though? How come it flipped out? Is there something inside of this? Let's edit that. Oh, there's locators and stuff. Oh shit. That's not good. Let's clean that out. Let's set it up once more. Important updates are pending. The newest Windows feature update is ready to install. You need to kick it off. I need to kick it off. With new features and apps, this one could take a little longer than other updates. Ready? Restart now. Not ready? Pick a time that works for you. Son of a gun. Remind me later, maybe. What? Man, every time of the year. There's something wrong with this. It is a possession. I don't know what this is, but that's nasty. It's just terrible things that they're doing to people, and that's Windows updates. We need to spread awareness, guys. We need to spread awareness. So something needs to happen. Like we can't keep on like that. I mean, come on. Goddamn. Edit. Let me just edit this. God. No. So I need to make a small script. So I need to make a small script that would allow me to select head stuff of this character. So if I would select this to be big. Let's go ahead and also turn off our meshes. Let's also turn off the visibility of all of these locators. More look. Ooh, this is not good. It's a memory leak. What about this one? There's also LOCs. There's also LOCs. Okay, okay. That's cool. We can clean it up. So this is actually good that I figured it out. That I actually found it. That I actually found this kind of stuff. Let's grab that outliner and let's find those. LOC ear and LOC other ear. And then there's most likely all of the eye ones as well. Oh, excuse me. Where are these ones? But these ones don't have anything. Oh, they do. And just break those keyframes, right? Yeah, delete those keyframes. And now let's make them invisible. Was there also the head joint? Anim head. So there should be a head head locator as well. Oh, head locator's clean. Oh, nice. That's cool. So the tall guy. Let's check out the tall guy as well. Because the tall one... Oh, the tall one doesn't. But then how come do I just need like 4... Does it select the hierarchy? So I would like to see what kind of things does it select. GRP anim, GRP head, but what does it select GRPs at all? Oh, this is way shorter than it should have been before, than it was at least. Let's just edit this. It's alright. At least I've figured this out. Yeah, let's edit this one. So, it used to be this long. So that's like 3 sections. And if I paste this, this is just 2. So this is amazing. Alright. Let's go ahead and move this to the big mail. So, and in this case, let's edit. So what the hell are these guys doing still here? I thought oh yeah. Those guys still have keyframes for some reason. Let me remove those keyframes and then let's move on. Turn that off. And these. Let's see. Also shorter. And that's great. So let's try copying that again. I think that should be perfectly fine now. Let me turn on those meshes again. We can run, we can do all that stuff. We can go from 31 to 55. We can select the head. And we can just copy these keyframes. Select the tall head, here. Just paste that. Nice, it works. So it should be able to transfer to all of the to all skins like that. That's really cool. Right, let's save this. And one thing I want to do now is loop this twice. We're gonna loop this twice so we can take the middle loop, like the middle part of both loops, and then we can have a perfectly seamless animation. So let's select the body, all the keyframes, copy them. Oh, did I press copy? Yep, 55. So let's select the head, copy, and let's paste that across. Alright. And also the big head, copy, and let's paste that across. So now we have 2 loops of walking. I can even add this as well. Grab the graph editor. Four steps instead of just what we had. And you can see how it like actually follows just perfectly fine. I know that it's not going to mess up over time or anything, that everything is just gonna be perfect, like it doesn't slide or nothing. Double check that. Alright, so let's close that outliner. I'm gonna save this, and let's go ahead and make 80. Let's make a new idle animation. So let's do 75, I think, and 105, something like that. Animations, and I need to check how much did I do for students. $81 until 105. Okay, yeah, that should be okay. That should be doable. Let's go ahead and zero out all values. Nice. Yeah, I kind of tried doing that. So it really helps, like in the future, like just to keep some clean keyframes. Like, so you reset them. So there's like a reset T pose frame. All of these are also going to be 0. And for this guy as well. Let's just zero everything out. Nice. Let's save this. And let's move to our 81. Make sure that I'm gonna make a nice hand. So basically I would like to make, I always forget that I can load really fast through all of the all those files that we've made. So I'll show you guys how the animation is gonna look. Something like 105 and 100, no, just 81. So something like this. What do you guys think about this? I think I could add something with the arms, like something could happen with the hands. I still need to add like the actual, oh, this looks really weird, Look at that. Wow. But yeah, I need to add some more depth. In Unity, you're going to be able to see, like, this is going to have a cloth render, as well as this. The skirt is also going to have like cloth render. Gonna look really nice. All right. Let's pause this back. Go back to our first pose. And back to our animation. So that's how fast you can switch through characters. I love that. We can curve them like little bananas. Little banana curves. Just move them in. Alright, let's turn this one in like that as well. Alright, I'm gonna save that, save this, and also let's just move this hand more to the side, something like this. God damn it. I didn't keyframe it. Or did I keyframe it? I keyframed everything, but in the wrong keyframes. Also, this thing, I don't really need it. Can I go from 30 until 80? Can I do a visibility keyframe, a visibility keyframe, keyframe, and another keyframe? Let's go to a graph editor, and I want to just be able to not see this sometimes. Just one. So basically for, oh wait. So it's going to be invisible when I don't need it. Oops. Yeah. Why bother with that? Right. So let's go to our 81. 81, 105. Alright. I think on this guy is going to be nicer to make. A bit easier. Yeah, thanks a lot for all you guys being here. Hope you all are having a nice day. Keep being positive. So let's zoom in on this hand. Yo! And suddenly everything works. Okay. That was strange. I just had like this weird glitch. Weird glitch. Everything just froze. Nothing was working at all. I think I need to clean my hard drive. I think it's because of the hard drive. I have like 60 gigs left from 500. That could be a thing. Well, it's gonna be cleaning time. Format C, yep. I have a feeling like that's going to be the case tonight. I just can't wait. Broke that finger. Completely broke that finger. format C. Just, yeah, fuck this. Fuck this today. Let's format this. Alright. Like this. But also it looks like he's grabbing an apple. So let's make sure that he's not. Need to remove some influences. But the cool thing with these rigs now is that I don't care if it doesn't matter. I can make new animations and I can make new everything. But the thing is that this T-pose is frozen. And most of the stuff is just frozen. Like that. So it can just stay like that. And that's really awesome. And I can have these animations and basically just keep on working on the rigs in the meantime as well. So everything is kind of covered. Everything is really flexible. I'm just really happy about that. All right. Let's save these guys. Wait. And if I check this, it doesn't have anything. Yeah, of course. Just can't wait. That's why it was so short. That's why you couldn't do anything. Let me just copy this once again. Okay. Edit. So like that you can make your own commands. It's like, I've been using this forever. You can just press something, change something. Like let's say you have this clean, let's say you want to change scale to 2. This completely fucked something up, like with my... Let's see. Let's actually see. That's funny, look at those ears. So weird. Okay, now it selects all of those things. But yeah, basically what you can do is like just scale 2, and then you get the select attribute, and then you can just drag them in, and or even from here you can just drag it in already in your toolbar. That's how fast scripts work. It's just amazing. For example, I have this script here. If object exists, if there's a tall guy, then we're going to do reset the tall guy. If no, then we're gonna reset the short guy. There's just 2 guys, so we reset that. Pretty simple. Alright. Let's save this. Alright. No, don't take screenshot. Why are you taking screenshots? So let's make a... Okay. The middle is somewhere here, I guess. So let's do... Okay. I like these random, like, just... not like random, but these generic, really generic idle cycles, so to say. How could you call them differently? This up and down, you know, generic idle cycle. Let's just leave it like that then. Generic idle cycle. Let's just do nicer curves for this guy. Alright, let's do graph editor, translate Y you translate. Let's set these to auto. Like this. This could also be just closer. There's just one keyframe, but we can move it anyways. Yeah, this looks alright. Maybe we could also move these keyframes like a bit. Yeah. Something like this. Okay. Yeah, just playing around with the values a bit. Seeing what would fit a bit better. Alright. And also for the hands, let's make them follow. Let's do one on these two guys. Alright, so if now if I were to translate Z, let's just add something interesting maybe to it. Alright, let's have that head also move up and down just a bit. Let's leave one keyframe here. Or maybe let's just move it to 3. Alright, let's copy this across. Let's paste this. Alright. Let's just check this out here. Could we do just linear? This, and then I can move it a bit forward. That's 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's keyframe this. And I just need this value of this keyframe here. Let's keyframe that and give it the same value here. Alright. Copy that keyframe across here. And voila. It doesn't do shit. Nice. And this one, Y. Let's go also have this. All right. Yeah, this is going to be okay. Just for a test, this is going to be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and export this. Let's drop this inside of Unity and see how this is going to work. And then let's pass the stream to somebody else. Let's pass the stream to somebody else. I think he's gonna appreciate all you guys. Whoever we're going to be raiding. Just like every other day, at the end of the stream we raid somebody. We're gonna raid somebody. So let me just go back to this. So I need to export this. So yeah, this is like, for now it's just a bit manual labor, but soon that's going to be a nice button that's going to just export everything. So let's go ahead and save this guy. It's coming along. Yes, it's exporting. It's exporting, and it's there. All right. How do we do this now? Animation stall and animation stall. Get replaced. And let's wait until this. So this should work. Like they should all be walking. Oh, okay. Characters. Yep. Now those guys are walking. I can't even move that. Because that's a student. Okay, now I got a bit confused. All right. So he's running. That all works. All right. Let's go ahead and cut those animations. And let's go ahead and add this idle underscore cycle. All right. Oh, and I already added the keyframes. I just need to add the loop pose, I guess. Let's see. Loop, loop, loop. Great. Also here, what were the keyframes? Let me just check. 43 and 67. Nice. Let's apply that. Yeah, that should be all fine. Let's go ahead and just plug in our idle. Plug in our idle. This is our idle cycle. And let's get it. Let's play this and let's see how this is going to work. Let's save this. Okay. So both teachers and the anims. Alright, so if I press idle, start idling. Oh, look at that, there's some kind of glitch inside of the thing, inside of the animation, so let's go ahead and clean it up. Just gotta clean that up real quick. Let's do 82. Otherwise, I think it's clipping with the T-pose. Alright. Let's play this. And teacher 1, let's go ahead and play with you. Nice! That's really cool. And then you can also like make him run. Look at that. He's trying to run or something. I don't know what this is. But alright. Who could we... Alana Streams. Who was Alana Streams?
Yeah, so hashtag Toad House. So for all of you that are new...
She was making some stuff, right? Or what is she? Have we Have I even ever followed her? Why is she on the follow channels? That's interesting. I think I've been on her streams, but I can't remember. She's not in our she's not in my following. I'm not following her. That's really strange. Twitch is a strange place. Well, alright guys, I'm gonna forward you to Snotsmacool. Yeah, what he said. let's do what he said. Raid. See you next time. Thanks, Greg. Thanks a lot for for all you guys being here. Look at this guy. He's clipping. I'm gonna need to match those cycles there. That's very. Yeah, they start with different legs. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that. All right, guys. Let me finish that raid. It's gonna be our boy Snots. It's gonna be our boy. Let me just copy this name. Alright. Yeah, thanks a lot for all you guys joining in today. It was really fun making these animations and making sure that these guys are actually in and running. Thanks a lot for being here. It was really fun. I hope to see you guys next week. We're going to be implementing some more stuff. I'm going to be starting to work on a school bus, on the new fancy school bus. So that should be really nice. And yeah, keep being positive and enjoy Snots. Make sure to hit that follow button before you leave. Take care. See you next time. Bye, guys.